3 up here on the eastern shore of Virginia. The rain finally let up a little bit. Now that I say that, it's probably going to dump buckets on us. So we couldn't bring you any footage from this morning. We laid off on the buffies for an hour waiting on a bigger duck to come by. They didn't.
You probably can. I got the weapon.
There's the technique. Well, folks, just a little update. We got quite a few buffalo heads down, Chad and I. Colton got a beautiful green wing teal this morning. This is day 3 again. And rain's intermittent, but it's really windy. Actually, my pockets are full of rain from it running down my sleeves and stuff. But anyway, we're getting ready to pick up. Colton and them are getting picked up now. What time is it, about 9 o'clock? Somewhere's around 9 o'clock in the morning. We're going to go switch out to try to kill some more sea ducks. Get him. Well, Colton, been set up for about what? A minute? 2 minutes?
Minute and a half.
Bird down. What do you think, Chad?
Buffy love.
Buffy
Getting
love.
some more ammo.
Getting some ammo. Fixing to try to finish out the limits.
Bye, Buffy.
What's up,
Getting
Corbett?
that one.
You getting your ear protection on?
Ear protection.
There you go.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Kill him.
Yeah,
Got him.
buddy.
Oh, Corbett.
Sorry, dude.
Oh, you gotta watch shooting across like that.
What you got there?
Buffy.
You got him.
Got him,
Good
and I got
job.
Chad too on accident.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
That safety first hearing protection.
Wait.
Kill
Kill
him. There you go, Corbett.
What did I
Yeah.
tell you about the Benelli?
Awesome.
3 more.
Moved.
Ooh.
He's done.
Oh, his
That's
head's
a beautiful
still up.
bird.
Jump him up.
Get him. Get him. Get him.
Merganser, get him. Get ready for whack-a-mole. Whack-a-mole. There you go. There you go. Corbett, the old hooded merganser.
All right.
What
Woo.
you got there, little hoodie?
Little hoodie.
That's right. Treating the Benelli right.
Get him. Get him. Ooh, wow.
Kill him.
Take him.
Damn.
Nice shot,
Oh,
Cole.
not.
I lost this one back one.
One's still up front.
There you go.
Oh!
He's hit. Oh, he was up there too. He's hit. He might even die over there. He fucked up.
Bam!
That was a
Who else shot? Me, you. Did you shoot, Corbett?
No.
I would say he zigged when he should have zagged.
He was doing some zigging and zagging.
He was.
Get him, Cole. What did you just say? That'd have been awesome to get the last two right as
He
he's
also
coming up
get
with
the
the boat.
last two as he's coming up with a boat. We just filled man limit plus some bonus merganders and
Some
some sea
scoters.
ducks.
What started out to be a real crappy day as far as weather conditions turned out to be pretty good here.
Pretty
We
good.
There's a lot of wind and calmed down. The tide changed. It's time to go clean these birds, get back to the hotel. Changed out. It's our last hunt. So stay along with us for our next adventure this year. And hey, you know, take a kid in the outdoors, take disabled out in the outdoors, or just get yourself outdoors. Please stay with us here at Team Meat in the Freezer for more action. We got about another month of duck hunting.
Alright folks, day 3, Chincoteague Island, Virginia, Accomack County. Corbett Wold, U.S. Navy veteran, here with Team M.I.F. We'd like to thank you for your service.
Thank you for taking me.
Service to our country, first duck hunt,
Very first.
3-day hunt. We had some inclement weather. Did really good. We couldn't really get out in the sea duck zone today on day 3. We got a 5-man limit here. Green-winged teal, bunch of buffleheads and some scoters, and a few merganders and whatnot. Anyway, wrapping it up. I don't know, we pretty much shot limits all 3 days of various species, so you can't complain. Anyone who duck hunt knows that that's part of the game. Inclement weather, so he got broken in right with that.
That I did.
Anyway, we shot some shells,
A lot of
had
shells.
a lot of laughs,
A lot of laughs.
a lot of jokes, some pro tips that you might want to stay tuned on. They're quite comical. And anyway, stay tuned. We got snow geese action coming up soon. We got ducks, doves. Turkey season not far off. I just want to say from Team Meat in the Freezer, check us out on social media. Find us at Team M.I.F. on Facebook. Get out there, enjoy the outdoors. Take a child, take a kid, take a new person into the hunter. Corbett's an avid hunter. He just never got into waterfowl till just now. So anyway, hopefully we got him hooked for life. Hopefully you are too. We'll see you in the field. God bless you. Pretty good.